look like that? Hope so. Nicely done. All right, the next thing and the last thing I'm going to teach you is how to read a tape model like this. This bracket covers the whole tape model. And this 1 means that this whole tape model is worth 1 whole. These little brackets represent the pieces that it's broken into. So if I wanted to ask myself, what is one of these pieces worth, I'd have to count all my pieces first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pieces of the whole tape model, the 1. And what is that worth? Well, this is worth 1/5 because it's bracketed this one spot. And this one is worth 1/5. To write an addition sentence, I would add the 2. And what does it equal total? 1/5 plus 1/5 is 2/5. So that's pretty simple, 1 to 1. Watch what happens when I draw this one. The whole bracket is going to be worth 1, just like this. I'm going to cut it up again, but this time I'm going to do something a little bit different. This one is here. This one is here. Now look at what I did. If I shade these in, this number sentence is going to look different. It is still cut into fifths, and this is still a bracket for just 1. So this is worth 1/5. This is a bracket for just 1. So that is worth 1/5. But this is a bracket for 2, which is worth 2/5. So my number sentence would look like this. 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 2/5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4/5. That's how that one would look. Just because this bracket right here, that should be like that. This bracket right here has 2/5. All right, and the last one I'm going to show you, this one's pretty tricky. Let's see how well you do with this one. What do I have? Thirds, good. Now what's my unit fraction? 6, good. Ha ha, but you are wrong. Because only this much is worth 1. Right here, just this much is worth 1. And I have 1 extra. So if I bracket it like this and shade it in, and I bracket this like this and shade it in, and I bracket this one like this and shade it in, I'm not dealing with sixths because this is the bracket. How many pieces are in the bracket? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not 6. So what would this be equal to? Well, there's 2 of them out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It would be 2/5. How about this one? It's 2 shaded in out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It would also be 2/5. This one, we have a 1 out of 5, and we have an additional 1. This additional 1 we're going to assume is still broken into fifths. So this just counts as another 5th because our bracket only goes to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be another 2/5. If I add them all up,